Most people who start a faceless YouTube channel make $0. Not because the model is broken. The model is printing money for thousands of channels right now in 2026. They fail because they skip the blueprint and wing it. Today, I'm going to give you the exact $0 to $10K system, step by step, so you don't repeat those mistakes. Let's start with the number that actually matters. $10,000 a month from a faceless YouTube channel is not a fantasy. Channels in the finance, AI, and make money space are hitting $10K per month with 50,000 to 150,000 subscribers. The math is simple. Ad revenue averages $3 to $8 per thousand views in this niche. At 100,000 views a month, that's $300 to $800 from ads alone. But ad revenue is the floor, not the ceiling. The real money is in sponsorships, affiliate deals, and digital products layered on top. I'll get to those. First, let's build the channel. Step 1 is picking a niche that actually pays. This is the decision that determines whether you hit $10K or burn out at $0. Most beginners pick something they're interested in. That's the wrong filter. The right filter is CPM, cost per thousand impressions. That's how much advertisers pay YouTube to reach your audience, and YouTube pays you a cut of that. Gaming CPMs run $2 to $4. Cooking runs $3 to $6. But personal finance, AI tools, and make money content, those run $8 to $20 CPMs because the audience is buyers. Advertisers will pay $15 to show an ad to someone watching a video about making money online because that person is likely to buy something. Sub-niches that are working right now in 2026. AI productivity and automation, faceless channel tutorials, passive income breakdowns, credit and debt payoff strategies, and AI tool reviews. Pick the one where you can genuinely produce content with research and scripting, even without being on camera. That's the entire point of the faceless model. Step 2 is setting up your channel for $0. You do not need to spend money to start. Here is the actual $0 stack. Channel art, free with Canva. Voiceover, free with 11 Labs trial or free tier. Pick a professional voice that sounds authoritative, not robotic. Footage, free stock from Pexels and Pixabay. Editing, CapCut Desktop is free. Scripting, you write it, and you can use Claude or ChatGPT free tiers to help structure it. Thumbnails, free in Canva with the right template. The one thing you should buy when you have your first $20 in ad revenue, a CapCut or Canva Pro subscription. That unlocks templates and stock footage that will elevate your thumbnails and B-roll fast. But do not spend money before you have proof the channel works. Your channel description, about page, and banner should all signal one thing. You are the authority on this specific topic. Not, I talk about money stuff. Pick one line. This channel shows you exactly how to build income with AI in 2026. Every video you upload should reinforce that line. Step 3 is cracking the video formula. Faceless channels live and die on retention. You are not on screen. You cannot charm the viewer with your face. So the script has to do all the work. Every video needs 4 things. A hook in the first 5 seconds that makes a specific promise. A body that delivers on that promise with real information and specific numbers. Loops that keep people watching. And a payoff at the end that makes the whole video feel worth the watch. The formula for titles that get clicked. A number plus a specific outcome plus a year. 7 AI tools that pay you $500 a week in 2026. 5 faceless channel niches with $10. CPMs in 2026. The number creates a content promise. The dollar figure attracts buyers. The year signals freshness. Thumbnail rule, high contrast, 3 words max, 1 dominant image or graphic element. Study the top 10 channels in your niche and clone the visual logic of what works, not the content itself. You are looking for color combinations, text sizing, and layout that perform. Then test your own variations. Step 4 is the upload schedule that builds momentum. Here is what nobody tells beginners. YouTube's algorithm does not care how many subscribers you have. It cares about click-through rate and watch time. A channel with 500 subscribers can get a video pushed to 50,000 people if it has a 10% click-through rate and strong retention. That means your first 20 videos are not about growing subscribers. They are about finding the title and thumbnail combinations that get clicked and the content formats that hold attention. Upload at least 2 videos per week for the first 90 days. That is your minimum viable pace. More is better because more uploads give the algorithm more data points to work with. Each video is a lottery ticket. The more you have out, the more chances something breaks through. After 90 days, look at your analytics and find your best 3 videos by watch time percentage. Those are your signals. Double down on those topics, that format, that title structure. Stop making the videos that are getting 30% average view duration. Make more of what is hitting 55% or higher. Step 5 is monetization stacking. YouTube Partner Program requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, or 1,000 subscribers, and 10 million shorts views. With 2 videos a week in a high CPM niche, most channels hit this in 4 to 6 months. That unlocks ad revenue. But you should not wait for YPP to start making money. Affiliate marketing starts on day 1. Sign up for affiliate programs that match your niche. In the AI and make money space, ClickFunnels, Jasper, Beehive, NordVPN, and dozens of software tools all pay 20% to 40% recurring commissions. Put your affiliate link in the description with a genuine recommendation inside the video itself. A channel with 2,000 subscribers and 3 good affiliate videos can make $500 to $2,000 a month from commissions alone before ever hitting YPP. Sponsorships come next. At 5,000 to 10,000